will be doing our another topic, that is refraction of light. Before doing refraction of light, I just wanted to clear certain terms related to refraction of light. First one is medium. A medium is a substance through which light passes. You know very well, light passes through vacuum also, and light does not need any medium to travel. So light is electromagnetic wave. You have read in 9th class. In vacuum and in air, the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. You know it very well. 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. But light, it travels through air, through glass, through water, other mediums also. So we will discuss different types of medium. First one is transparent medium. It is a medium through which light passes completely. Example, glass. Second is translucent medium. It is a medium through which light passes partially. Partially it is absorbed and partially it passes. Example is greased paper. Third is opaque medium. It is a medium through which light does not passes. Example, wood. Then we have optically rarer medium. What does this rarer word means? It means the medium in which the speed of light is more. That is optically rarer medium. Example, air. In air, the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, same as vacuum. Then optically denser medium. It is the medium in which the speed of light is less. It can be 2 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second or any other value. Then we have luminous objects. Luminous objects. Those objects which emit their own light, they are called luminous objects. Example, sun, candlelight, torch. They emit their light, so they are luminous objects. Non-luminous objects, those which do not emit their own light. Example, moon. You know very well, moon, it reflects the light of sun. Sunlight fall on it and it reflect, and that is why we see the moon shining. Then refraction of light. It is the bending of light when it enters from one medium to another medium. Here I have shown in this figure, air is a rarer medium and glass is a denser medium. When light it enters from air, this is the surface of glass, it enters into glass, it bends. This bending of light is known as refraction of light. Now AO is incident ray, OB is refracted ray, NON dash is normal, angle I is angle of incidence because it is formed with normal and incident ray. Angle R is angle of refraction. It is formed between normal and refracted ray of light. Rule 1 is, when incident ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards normal. Normal की तरफ bend करना. Angle I is greater than angle of refraction. Rule 2 is, when incident ray falls on glass and it comes out of glass in air, that is rarer medium, it bends away from normal. Normal से दूर बनाना refracted ray. Angle I is less than angle R. Third rule is, an incident ray falling normally, it refract back normally. Angle I is equal to angle R is equal to 0. So no refraction of light takes place. Thank you.